We were approached and asked to design a knife line specifically for anglers.
Our vice president of marketing came to us and said, hey, I believe that this is an underserved market. He wanted us to fix the problem.
The entire concept was kind of gone through from skeleton out and really tried to identify what is it that makes a great fishing knife.
Well, first we did market research, did the competitive lineup of products, the things that were out there.
Part of what we did for the research was looking at the culinary industry and the knives that they use for prepping food. The ergonomics and hand positions when you're interacting with the cutting surface and the food itself are very similar in both those industries.
You know, filleting a fish, it's probably a good idea to do that. Someone can tell you how hard it is, but until you actually do it or have some insights into that world, it's really difficult to say this is a good design or not. There are a few components when it comes to fishing that you want to hit. It needs to be ergonomic, number one. You need to be able to hold it properly. It needs to be able to do several things. It needs to be grippy. You know, that you're in an inherently wet environment. Things are slippery. You lose things, you don't want to cut yourself, so we added a lot of texture and using elastomers to provide grip.
The main thing we learned was the utilization of your thumb and index finger, primary joints used when articulating and moving this knife around. We have key landing spots both high for your index finger, and then there's a perforation through the side that is ideal, a location for your thumb to rest.
Acme really hangs their hat on full tang design. The blade actually travels all the way through the handle as well, adding a tremendous amount of structure.
You can say on your packaging that you've got a full tang. We wanted to demonstrate that it was a full tang. So we actually created that TPU window where you can see straight through and see that the metal actually is in the handle. You can demonstrate quality by listing specifications, but you can also demonstrate quality by showing thoughtfulness.
Part of our job is not only to be good designers and to create beautiful objects, but also to get people to buy the thing. So, you know, you're a part marketer, and learning how to stop people for that 2-second time frame you need them to is very, very important.
They launched it in 2014 at ICAST. In 2 days it was an 8-figure brand. When you do the thing that's right for the end user and provide something that makes their life better or makes a task easier, and you get that right because of it, you do right by your customer, your client, and they have success because of it, it was like a best case scenario. And it's really cool when it all comes together.